SwitchBot Onero H1 is pushing smart homes into a new era with a universal AI robot designed to genuinely help with everyday chores. Unlike single-purpose smart devices, Onero H1 combines 22 degrees of movement, advanced vision, depth sensing, and tactile feedback to understand objects, plan actions, and interact with its surroundings. Its smooth-wheeled base allows it to move easily from room to room while opening doors, organizing items, operating appliances, and assisting with daily tasks. Powered by an intelligent vision-language vacuum model, the robot learns from real use and improves over time. Demonstrated at CES 2026 working alongside smart vacuums, coffee machines, and other connected devices, Onero H1 shows the future of home automation. With pre-orders opening soon, it represents a shift from simple gadgets to truly adaptive AI helpers that can change how we manage daily life. Figure Helix O2 marks a major breakthrough in humanoid robotics, showing how artificial intelligence is moving beyond scripted movements into true, real-world autonomy. Instead of using separate programs for walking, vision, or hand control, Helix O2 relies on a single, unified AI system to manage the entire body. This approach allows the robot to balance naturally, move smoothly through its environment, and handle objects in a human-like way. Trained on large amounts of human motion data, Helix O2 can complete complex, multi-step tasks without constant human guidance. Demonstrations show it performing everyday actions such as handling kitchen items and using tools with impressive accuracy, with advanced hand sensors and cameras built into its palms. The robot achieves precise control for delicate tasks. Helix O2 points toward a future where humanoid robots assist in homes, workplaces, and industries. Microsoft Azure Maya 200 represents a big step forward in how cloud-based artificial intelligence runs at massive scale. Designed as a custom AI inference chip, it is built specifically to power large AI models inside Microsoft's Azure data centers. Unlike general-purpose processors, Maya 200 focuses on delivering fast, reliable, real-time AI responses while using energy more efficiently. Its advanced design combines high-bandwidth memory with tightly integrated on-chip resources, allowing heavy AI workloads to run smoothly across cloud services. The chip is deeply integrated with the Azure ecosystem, supporting a wide range of AI tools, developer platforms, and enterprise applications. This makes it easier for organizations to deploy intelligence systems with less complexity and better performance. Maya 200 highlights Microsoft's move toward purpose-built hardware to meet the growing demands of modern cloud AI across industries. Roborock F25 Ace Pro is a powerful, cordless wet and dry cleaner designed to make home cleaning easier, faster, and more effective. Its standout jet foaming technology creates millions of dense microbubbles using very little solution, helping break down stains and odors instead of spreading them around. With strong 25,000 PA suction and an anti-tangle jaw scraper system, it lifts deep-hidden dirt and captures hair with minimal effort. The Flat Treach 2.0 design lets it slide easily under furniture, while Slide Tech 2.0 ensures smooth movement around obstacles. A larger water tank allows longer cleaning sessions, and smart self-cleaning adjusts automatically to dirt levels. Powered by a long-lasting battery that delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime. Plus, app and voice alerts for real-time updates. The F25 Ace Pro sets a new standard for smart home floor cleaning. Our Bot9 RoCap is a unique, cable-suspended robotic system built to automate large industrial spaces in a smarter way. Instead of using floor rails or heavy gantry structures, it moves using high-strength overhead cables that allow a central platform to travel freely in all directions. This design keeps factory floors clear while covering huge work areas quickly and accurately. RoCap can carry tools, sensors, or equipment while staying stable in motion, making it ideal for material handling, inspection, palletizing, and cleaning tasks. Installation is fast and flexible, so facilities can add automation without major structural changes. By combining precise winch control with advanced motion software, the system delivers accurate positioning across wide spaces. RBot 9 RoCap shows how lightweight cable robotics can provide scalable, cost-effective automation for modern factories, warehouses, and large industrial environments. X-Wing Fighter Electric VTOL is a bold leap into immersive electric flight. Designed to make pilots feel deeply connected to the aircraft, this futuristic VTOL can take off and land vertically, then smoothly transition into fast-forward flight. Blending the agility of a drone with the thrill of a fixed-wing aircraft, it delivers a truly hands-on flying experience. What makes it unique is its cockpit-style setup, using a forward-facing camera, FPV goggles, and head tracking. This allows pilots to naturally look around while flying, making every movement feel intuitive and realistic. Built for active control rather than passive operation, the X-Wing encourages skill development and real piloting engagement. Its advanced design also supports coordinated group flights and interactive tracking, turning the open sky into a shared, immersive flying environment. Vanessa's smart canopy is one of the most exciting agricultural innovations, shaping the future of farming in 2026. Designed to protect high-value crops, this smart system goes far beyond a traditional farm cover. It actively reacts to changing weather conditions. Using built-in sensors and intelligent software, the canopy automatically deploys to protect crops from frost, hail, extreme heat, heavy rain, and harmful humidity that can cause disease. When the weather improves, it smoothly retracts, leaving fields open and unobstructed, powered by solar energy. The system runs sustainably while fitting easily into existing farming operations. Its strong robotic structure is built to withstand high winds and long-term outdoor use, making it dependable for real-world agriculture. By combining automation, climate monitoring, and precision control, the Vanessa's smart canopy helps farmers protect yields, reduce losses, and adapt to an increasingly unpredictable climate. BioCare Medical NeoPATH Pro shows how automation is transforming modern pathology laboratories. Built for high-performance clinical and research settings, this advanced staining system delivers fast, accurate, and reliable tissue analysis. NeoPATH Pro supports essential testing methods such as immunohistochemistry, in situ hybridization, and fluorescence-based assays, all within one fully automated platform. It can process dozens of slides in a single run, helping labs handle increasing diagnostic workloads without sacrificing quality or consistency. With integrated reagents, smart workflow design, and a user-friendly interface, the system simplifies daily lab tasks and reduces manual effort. Developed by BioCare Medical, a trusted name in pathology solutions, NeoPATH Pro reflects the shift towards smarter, more efficient diagnostics. As precision medicine and biomarker testing grow, systems like this are shaping the future of laboratory medicine.